Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the ring and mounting it. Do that right now. Plug into a stable USB or insert charged battery. Unstable power causes flicker. Once mounted, center the ring over your lens so the light wraps evenly. This reduces harsh shadows. Then switch it on and pick a neutral color temperature. Choosing 3200K or 5600K matches indoor or daylight. Make sure to use quick adjustments rather than big jumps so you don't overexpose your subject. Now you refine exposure and color. This is the core. Increase brightness gradually, 5 to 10% steps, so skin tones stay natural and highlights remain intact. Then match color temperature to ambient light. If you see a color shift, tweak toward warmer or cooler until it blends. Once done, attach a diffuser or soft filter to remove hotspots. You'll keep catch lights pleasing while reducing glare. Make sure to check your camera histogram and preview in both photo and video modes. Finish by locking in your final settings and taking a definitive test shot. You want consistency. Once done, balance background light so your subject doesn't look flat. Add a subtle rim or hair light if separation is weak. If you plan repeat shoots, save a preset on the ring or note exact values. Troubleshooting tip. If you get flicker, first check refresh rate compatibility with your camera, then swap USB ports or batteries, and update firmware if available. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.